Deputy Speaker Jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Timothy Dishira negsngi ulaiti city inokam kum Deputy Speaker Shau Speaker Jong ka Legislative Assembly. Habakren matginong to khobor nagaliang Speaker Jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Thomas Sangma ula pensisha baula yo pediang yak city inokam hne kasngi. Ula itu baula pediang yak ne kejing inokam bat ula khorru yak meeting banyakren but nagaliang jong ka Business Advisory Committee kalashim yakarai bakin penlongno ik election banjid yo Deputy Speaker ubat thymmai ha ka khadar tarik September kabadairu kasngi kabakut jong kani ka session ka ba menta.
Okay. Yes. This morning I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deputy Speaker, and accordingly I have accepted it. And immediately I had called for an emergent meeting of the BAC Business Advisory Committee to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session to as to when we can take the time to elect a new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BSC had sat, and we have decided that we will go. The election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session.
Has he cited the reason why he has resigned?
No, he just said, I'm resigning. Because I was told that he has received from the party high command that he should step down. That's all, that's what he had told me.
Whom to be replaced?
I don't know. I'm sorry?
Whom to be replaced?
That is for maybe the legislative party to decide on that.
So